What are common mistakes to avoid when writing a thesis statement? When writing a thesis statement, it is important to be aware of common mistakes that can weaken your argument. Let's discuss some key pitfalls to avoid. First, vagueness can be a major issue. Instead of making broad claims, be specific. For example, instead of saying, "Many people think climate change is bad," clarify your argument. You might say, "The lack of government action on climate change threatens future generations." This clarity helps focus your research and makes your thesis more defined. Next, avoid using obvious facts. Stating common beliefs without offering a unique perspective can weaken your thesis. For instance, instead of saying, "Technology impacts society," narrow it down to something like, "The impact of social media on teenage mental health." This approach gives your thesis more depth. Another mistake is using first-person language. Phrases like "I believe" can make your argument seem less objective. Instead, present your thesis confidently without first-person pronouns. This helps maintain a strong stance and enhances the credibility of your argument. Broadness is another common issue. Ensure your thesis is manageable and focused. Avoid overly broad topics that are hard to cover comprehensively in your paper. A well-defined topic allows for a more thorough exploration of your argument. Lack of specificity can also weaken your thesis statement. It should clearly outline what you intend to argue or prove. Avoid vague statements that do not provide a clear direction for your research. A strong thesis statement gives readers a clear idea of your paper's focus. Additionally, make sure your thesis statement aligns with your research question. If your thesis drifts away from the original question, you may need to revise either the question or the thesis. This alignment is essential for maintaining coherence throughout your work. Finally, ensure your thesis is supported by evidence and logical reasoning. A weakly supported thesis can lead to a poorly argued paper. Make sure to gather sufficient evidence to back up your claims. By avoiding these mistakes, you can craft a strong thesis statement that guides your research and writing. This will help you achieve your academic goals effectively and set you up for long-term success in your studies.